Hello and welcome to my YouTube video. Today I am going to be doing something very bright and Christmassy in light of the spirit. So this is the new Colourpop gel eyeshadow. Well, it's actually called Jelly Much eyeshadow. And then I have my NYX jumbo eye pencil in sparkle green that I will be using today, as well as just making my skin look bright and beautiful in this winter weather. Today it's about 30 degrees in Atlanta, which is not normal for us southern people, so we're just gonna go ahead and see what we can do about our dry skin. I have already put serum on my face, as well as putting my Smashbox primer on my face. And we are going to go ahead and just start with my Colourpop stick foundation in the shade Fair 05. It's a very cheap foundation that I actually just put up a video on. I'm super excited about it because it's cheap, it's affordable, and you know what? I don't even want to use the word cheap because that means it's not of quality. And this particular foundation is absolutely of quality, and I think it's perfect for gift giving. I think it's perfect to wear as an everyday foundation because, you know, it's inexpensive and it's easy to just pack on the go. You can use it as a traveling foundation. You know, you can use it in your makeup bag. Maybe you work somewhere where sometimes maybe you'll have to put on makeup really quickly. You can do that. You know, just wherever you feel like you would use it best. You probably will notice that I do have pink hair right now. I'm gonna wait till the end of the video so I can actually show you guys the new do. And I'm also just gonna add a bit of this extra serum on my face directly after I put on my foundation. I could have done it at the same time, but I forgot. Just gonna kind of blot it all over. And next we will be just putting on our eyebrows real fast over this foundation. I've been letting my eyebrows grow in, and I think they're finally at a point where I just kind of have to fill them in and they look fluffy and nice on their own. But I do still battle with the fact that my eyebrows are uneven. I think that's probably due to plucking them from a very young age. I'm by no means an older woman, you know, but they are still working on getting their life together just as much as I am. Whew. This is actually my least favorite part of the makeup process. I love makeup, but I just hate getting my eyebrows to be so perfect because it's almost like we've come into an age where eyebrows are super important to everyone. And I'm just like, this was not a thing before. It's not for everyone. Y'all remember in the 90s, everyone had like really thin eyebrows, and that was the thing. It was like the Britney Spears eyebrows. And what I'm doing now is I'm putting on my No Filter Colourpop Concealer Fair 02. It does come in the package with the foundation. You're welcome for knowing how to talk. And you will notice that I am far away from my mirror, but you know, A lot of people say that you should be doing your makeup a little bit further from the mirror, just because, you know, that's what people on stage do. And so if you want it to be bold and beautiful, you know, you do it away from the mirror, and then you'll put on a lot of makeup, but at the end of the day, it's gonna look a lot brighter and better than you would if you were this close, because you're gonna think you're so caked on, you know? It's just how the world rolls. So I have blotted my face with my Beauty Blender just to catch any dry spots, and now I am contouring, starting just a little bit above my cheekbone and going into the center of my face, like so. And then coming all the way down the sides and across the forehead to create the illusion of a smaller forehead. And then we're coming down the center of the nose, sorry, not the center of the nose, but the sides of the noses to create more of a contoured, chiseled nose. And you can also do some other tricks like structuring your jawline. You can do this just to make it look a lot stronger, or make your chin look smaller. There's a lot of things you can definitely do depending on your face shape. I would just kind of take a look online and, you know, see what works best for you. Play around with your makeup. See what looks best. A lot of us that are showing you our tips and tricks, we've been putting makeup on for quite a long time now. I haven't been contouring as much, you know, as just putting on makeup. I've always worn makeup, even as a young girl. But the contouring, that's a new thing. It hasn't always been around. And most of these makeup tricks actually came from drag. So if you want to really learn the arts of it all, go watch some drag queens do their makeup. Little did y'all know. Makeup has come a really long way, especially with females. You know, it used to be a thing that was so looked down upon. What is it, the 50s, the roaring 50s? Ooh. How's that nose look? Is she looking smaller? All right, and then I'm just gonna put on some powder to bake with, and I'll be right back. All right, so today I'm actually just trying to keep this eye look pretty simple. I'm not really trying to go overboard with it because, you know, eyes take a lot of time and I don't have it. I have my Spotify top 2018 music playlist to listen to, and I can't do it on here because if I did, then I would get, you know, I get yelled at by YouTube for copyright and whatever, but whatever. Anyways, so I'm going to put on this Jelly Much shadow, and this is just a Morphe M224 brush, and I'm just gonna slide this on my eye and see where it goes. This is my first time using this, guys. Just FYI. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. You know, I'm into the whole like messy thing, so I'm just gonna like kind of smear it on a little over the crease and then kind of try to form it into a little V, kind of. Like so. And I'm gonna put on some big lashes too. So hopefully it'll kind of go where I want it to. And we're gonna do the other eye. We're gonna try to get it as close as possible. Oh, I just burped, sorry. Try to get it as close as possible as the other eye. Oh, wow. See, this is what I do. It's nowhere even, but that's okay. I'm gonna just try to fix it up a little bit. All right. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there, everyone, just a little bit. Okay, cool. So we're just gonna let this dry for a little bit. The eyeliner that I wanted to use may not work on this just because the consistency is so liquidy. If you put on say a stick liner, that may not work just because of the consistency of it. It may smear it everywhere. So I'm gonna rummage through my eyeliner and I'm gonna find a liquid eyeliner that I can use, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I found this awesome LA Splash liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna try to put this on around right here where I tried to create my own little V, and then I'm gonna go over it with a black eyeliner. And I should be doing this off camera so you guys don't see my mistakes, but mistakes are good for you, and that's how we learn. So here we go. Ooh, I may not even wear black on this. Do we like? Well, actually we may have to do black just because of the eyelashes that I'm gonna wear. It's always good to put that on your eye because it helps not being able to see the line. It's okay, guys, if it's unsymmetrical. Honestly, I hope that no one's coming up to you tonight, wherever you are, and they're looking at you and they're like, that's not symmetrical. All right, I'm gonna try to fix it up just a little bit. It does bother me that it's not, like the wing is just a little bit wider. But what can you do? Okay, all right, okay. This is a little bit better. We're getting there, guys, or girls, and girls. All right, now we're going for the black eyeliner. I'm gonna, I'm gonna put this right here because this is where our eyelash is going to go. And maybe just a little bit of a wing. To give the illusion that we wanted to put up black eyeliner. And maybe I'll add it afterwards, who knows, but I'm just gonna let this glitter stuff dry first. And as I'm applying my lashes, I'm gonna wipe off all of this stuff, maybe even curl my hair, and then we'll come back for lipstick. And she's back! All right, guys, I did my hair and I'm back with my lipstick as promised. So, the eyeshadow is done, and we're gonna go ahead and just apply this Anastasia Beverly Hills Rio liquid lipstick on our lips because why not? Let's just try it out, see how it goes. We want it to be bright, didn't we? All right, everyone. And there she is. Hope you guys liked the tutorial. Definitely be sure to subscribe, link below, maybe list some things that you like about this specific look as opposed to other looks. Maybe you like my hair, just comment and we'll talk and we'll chat and we'll wait for the next video.